Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Wild Toys here is coming back with another unboxing. This is Red's Fire Station playset. Beautiful playset. Got red right there, red on the picture. Who else do we have on the picture? Lightning McQueen and Mater. And don't forget Stanley is right there. So what are we waiting for? Let's go open them now. Look at the picture right here. Beautiful picture from Radiator Springs. You got the pine tree right there. What else do we have? Oh, look at the back picture. Nice. This is a beautiful playset. You got little plants right there. Some flowers going on. Nice. And then we have the fire engine. Reds right there. And look at this. What are this one? We'll see. What is that? That looks like a fire as well. Well, let's go open them now so we can go ahead and enjoy and play this toy. I hope it fits in my little box over here because you know the wall is kind of narrow, so we'll see what can we do. Let's go. I'm gonna go open this from the side. Oops, pardon me everybody, pardon me. Oh, there you go. I guess we're gonna have to pull it. Help me together. Okay, help me. All right, now it's coming out. Ooh, we're gonna have to put those toys and of course red. I demolished the box. All right, well, let's start with red. What do we have with red? Red is made of hard plastic. I wish this ladder goes up and down. Red tire, red rims. All right, famous on the engine. Radiator springs right there, as you can see. And we have also radiator springs. So we'll put red on the side and we're going to build this playset. So let's go. at this. This is a very cool playset. It's very small. I would say it's around 14 to 16 inches wide, and the height of this is around 6 to 7 inches. At least 6 to 7 inches. It's not gonna take a lot of room. I guess you can buy the other playset and connect them together. That's why they have extra connection here. And we have red over here, which is our fire engine. And over here, when you pass over here, it's gonna put the fire out. This is two fire over here. It's going to put the fire out just like that, okay? And then when he goes back again and then the fire is on, is gonna put it out just like that. How cool is that? Now look at this. When you go to Stanley, right, remember the fountain there? If you go over here, there's just like a little switch and it turn on. Pretty cool. Now that's the famous Stanley fountain, water fountain. And over here, I'm gonna face it to the back so you can see. We also put a sticker here. There's a sticker there. It's a bunch of sticker that you put over there. Over here too, we had a sticker. And this one here is connected to the hole over here. You can see the little hole there. Now, I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. All right, it's right there. So you're gonna connect it here and refill the water. It's gonna fill up the water, right? Fill the water, and then all you gotta do when you remove it, you're gonna bring it up so it's exit. When you go fill up some water, it's gonna come over here and put out the fire. And that's red playset. Very cool playset, not too big, not too small. Very cool toy. I really advise for you to get this. It's really cool and very interactive as well. You can also it looks like it's very durable. The made of plastic are very durable, so they're not easy to break. And of course, you don't want to step on it, so when kids are playing, make sure they put it away. Kids, put it away your toys so no one can step on it and nobody breaks it. So here's our final cars, and I hope you like it. I really enjoy opening this playset for you. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel so we can go ahead and open more playset for you. And very easy to assemble. Oh, you can put Mater there, paying a visit. I mean, everybody can have a nice time over here at the Radiator Spring Fire Station. I hope you like this playset and you have a great day, everybody. I hope everybody likes this playset. If you have them, tell me what do you think about your toys. Do you think you like it? And if you do, please put in the comment box what do you think about this red Fire Station playset. You have a wonderful day, and we'll see you again at Wild Toys. Thank you so much for staying with me, and have a great day, everybody.